80s classic at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1988 model year Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 95,000. Actually 95,707 to be exact. Let's take a look at this front fascia, grille, headlight surrounds. You can see black paint has a nice shine to it. 305 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Technicians did note AC will need a little bit of care to blow cold. Some components missing. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the engine bay, trunk, interior, undersides. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description area. Click on that. That's going to take you right to our website. And you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Monte Carlo SS wheels. Bridgestone radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. See the black panel's nice and straight. Again, paint has a nice shine to it. It's black. You may find an imperfection here or there on the car, but overall, good looking car. You can see side windows are tinted, so know your local and state laws with percentage of window tint that you can have legally, as well as that rear window. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Just get a look at the rear of the car, and you can see dual exhaust. Technician that looked at this one also mentioned the exhaust is going to need a little TLC from the converter back. Also mentioned rear wheel cylinders, or axle seals I should say, and brake shoes will need replacement. Once again, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Nice reflection. That paint, as you can see the wall behind it. So again, black paint, nice shine to it. Interior would be the, if they considered it maple in this year, but would be a kind of dark wine color. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Of course, power windows, power locks. Some of your more modern amenities. Bucket seats, center console, tilt column, cruise control, and you can see seats pretty much free of any rips, tears, or holes. A little bit of wear down in that piping on the bottom. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you hear it run. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There's exact miles, 95,707. Remember, clean Carfax. Actual mile car. Dash looks good. Cracks in the top. Aftermarket JVC stereo installed. And you can hear it sounds like a little bit of exhaust leak. Just to give you the heads up. Consigner the vehicle, said announce it in the video, and price it accordingly. That was a cold start, so it's going to be a high idle. We'll let it warm up here a little bit when I pop the hood. Take a peek underneath there. So, tell you what, let me pause this a second, get that hood open, take a look at the engine bay, and then Jason's going to take it for a drive. So, I'll be right back. There you get a look at the underside of the hood. The hood liner. Here it is. 305. Get power steering, power brake. Factory AC car. Will need a little attention, as you can see over here. And once it warmed up a little bit, we're down in low idle now, obviously. Want to hear it from behind that way. Let's slip back there quick, too. 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This is an automatic on the center console. Our turn signal indicator is working. Speedometer working. Nice firm shifts from the automatic transmission on this car. Hear a little bit of air leaking around the weather stripping on the doors. Semi-typical of this style era of car. The fuel gauge is reading completely full. The volts are right at 14, where it should be. Temperature is a quarter of the way up the gauge. And the oil pressure is about 35 to 40 pounds, and that looks good. JVC stereo and CD player in the dash. Blower motor works on this car. Comfortable bucket seats. Some of the most comfortable bucket seats, honestly, were in these Monte Carlos, in my opinion, with adjustable headrests, cloth for comfort. The wipers work on this car as well. Corners nicely. These always handled pretty good. Kickdown working on that automatic transmission. If you're looking for a fun cruiser, 1988. Take a look at this Monte Carlo at UniqueClassicCars.com.